In the following video, I am going to walk through properly removing the AEC304 occluded ear simulators and 426 M11 preamps from the head so that they can be placed in their cases for shipment. You will need the 2.5mm hex driver and the AEC304 and 426 M11 cases. Let's get started. First, disconnect the cables from the analyzer. Then remove the pinna. Gently pull out from under the alignment ring. Next, we will use the hex driver to release the set screws on the back of the head. These set screws hold the ear simulators in place. Only unscrew until they are flush with the surface of the head. You do not need to remove them completely. To release the airtight seal to the head, which helps with the removal of the ear simulators, you can loosen one ear simulator and set it out slightly, though this is not necessary. Using the hex driver, remove the screws on the neck. Hold down the base with one hand and pull from the hat to separate the head and the neck. There is an airtight seal, so additional force may be necessary to separate them. However, avoid twisting the head. This may cause the microphone cables to break. Set the head next to the stand with the cables loose. Next, unscrew the washer and the gasket. Pull off the assembly and then gently pull the cables out. Gently pull the occluded ear simulator out of the head. Feed the cable up through the head and out the side. The preamplifiers and ear simulators cannot be interchanged. They are in sets or mated pairs. This is to ensure correct calibration data from TEDs. If the devices are mixed, then the calibration data provided by TEDs will be incorrect. Their cases will indicate what the pairs are based on their serial numbers. Separate the preamplifier from the ear simulator. To fit in the case better, you can remove the ear canal extension and attach the two ear cap pieces that should be in the case. Use the small protector to cover the exposed end of the preamp, and the larger one to cover the BNC connector at the end of the cable. Wrap the cable and place it in the case with the corresponding serial number. You can put the head back on the stand and return it to its case. Store all of the loose parts together as they are all important to the reassembly of the device. Now your AEC304 occluded ear simulators and 426 M11 preamplifiers are ready to be sent in for factory calibration. To learn more about these procedures and other information related to the AEC206,